conditions. We have to be pushing blizzard conditions out here. Winds gusting over 40 miles an hour. Heavy snow has moved back in as well. I'm on the intercoastal waterway right now where the wind is funneling and the bomb cyclone continues to intensify just offshore. That pressure continues to drop and we have got very heavy snow that has moved back in here. Winds 40 miles an hour, temperature down to 19 degrees. And this is a heavy snow band. Every time one of these bands moves in, it accelerates the winds and definitely reduces visibility. Dangerous wind chills out here. Certainly a life-threatening storm if you're out here without shelter or the proper gear. Certainly very windy. Wind chills, real field temperatures have to be incredibly low out here. And definitely a long way to go with this storm. Likely several more inches. And that will put our total well over a foot, possibly even a foot and a half when it's all said and done. And drifts are starting to get deeper than about 3 to 4 feet out here in spots, especially where the wind is funneling. And the bomb cyclone has even had supercell storms with lightning in the warm sector of it. And all of that moisture and heat is getting pulled into this cold air here and dumped in the form of very heavy snow. And that precipitation extends well out to sea, so we have several more hours to go of these near blizzard conditions, if not blizzard, out here on Emerald Isle. Yep. Definitely intensifying out here. Gotta be kidding me with this.